In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Display section right away. Now scroll all the way down, click on Display Size and Text over here, and finally operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!